Abash, to make someone feel ashamed, embarrassed, or to destroy their self-confidence. The young presenter felt completely abashed when she stumbled over I words during the important speech. Abate, to become less intense, active, or reticent. The hikers waited in the small cave for the heavy rain to abate a fate before continuing journey up the mountain. Abdicate, to formally give up to position of power, such throne, high office, or authority. The aging king decided to abdicate the throne so that his daughter could lead the country into a new era. Aberration, a depart from what is normal, usual, expected, typically expected, pitchy mental state, a disorder, a failure in S mirror AR lens to perfect image. The two extra heads on deep-sea fish were considered a genetic genophile. Caution. Abhor, to regard with disgust and hatred. Below or lower. To bo feel extreme repulsion for. She abhorred cruelty towards animals. Abject, extreme and miserable, used to describe state. That is as bad or as bad or as possible, completely drowned, showing no aur of something. Many families in the war-torn region are living in abject poverty, lacking most basic necessities like clean water and shelter. Abnegate, to deny or renounce something sacred, good, or comforting. Relunifish, to surrender or relmihish rehibish a right, privilege, etc. To achieve spiritual peace, she chose to abnegate worldly possessions. Abortive, to failing or produce du inmessful, sacrab, iseritecult, unsuccessful. Of the plan become disking fail are cut short in its early stages. The startup's abortive attempt to launch a new app ended in bankruptcy. Abridge, to shorten a book, movie without losing the sense. Condense ... to curtail rights or privileges. The editor decided to tbodg the lengthy into a more manageable edition. Absolute, complete, whole, entire, not qualified or restricted, not relative. The monarch had absolute power of away the kingdom. Absolve, to declare sole, entire, free from guilt, not qualified or sane, or responsibility, to give absolution for. The priest decided to absolve her sins after a herald confession.